Hello everyone. Today is second day of my English spoken challenge of 90 days. So I took a challenge of spoken English for 90 days. So today is my second day. So as I told you in my first video that was something about like introductory part, but as I told you that I will tell you that how I started my journey and how I get that confidence to speak. And even of course as it is my second day of spoken English, so again I'm feeling bit nervous, but it's okay. Like it's okay. Like as in the starting, because I didn't do these things before, though I like as I told you in my that video, like as I did many efforts to do, but I couldn't. But now, as I'm doing, and of course, this is a journey and this is a phase that everyone feel nervous and these things in their journey, but it's okay. So, and whenever I feel nervous, I know I'm doing some mistakes also, but it's okay, because as I'm saying that it is a practice session, it is a practice video of English, spoken English, so it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that how I started my journey, and and how I got that confidence. So uh, okay, so I will tell you first five things, like these are very necessary to start, and to start anything. I'm not saying that it's only about to spoken English. Okay, so first you have to be not first you don't have to be like feel fear about anything. Like whenever you want to start anything, just be calm and be positive, like you can do this thing. And or of course, whenever we start anything, we start from zero. Okay, we all are zero in the beginning. Okay, so don't feel fear. Okay, so what I did, like I got that confidence that I have to speak. Okay, whatever, maybe in the starting I spoke wrong, even didn't speak also, but it's okay. But like after, so first thing is that you have to be get that confidence. Okay, and don't feel fear. It's okay. Like everyone has fear, and why are you like, don't be afraid. It is just a part of that journey in the beginning. So first thing is confidence, and second thing is that don't think that people start judging you. It's okay. Like in the starting every in the starting and the best part is that in the starting every person who start their journey, all who start their journey faces all up and downs of the judging part. So don't be so don't feel that you are judged by people, and it's okay. Judge them, but as you know that you are here to do, and you are here to do something in your life. So this is the thing. And so first thing is confidence, second thing, don't fear that you are judged by anyone, and the third thing is that don't be think that you have to be use you have to be used, like right grammar. Okay, no, it's okay. In the starting you have to just focus on speak. Okay, whether use sorry whether you use wrong sentences, or like even you can't speak also, it's okay, but you have to speak. Okay, then like if don't think that like don't feel afraid that you are not used to speak English. Like how can I, in the starting I also feel, I also, you know, I also thought the same thing, like I thought that I could not speak, like how can, because as being a Haryanvi, it is very difficult to speak English, like I thought that, but now it is totally, you know, false. I'm just saying, if I can do, then anyone can do. Okay, so this is the thing. And okay, so this is the third thing, that uh, I mean, don't feel fear that you are going to use wrong grammar, but you have to be only focus on speaking. Okay, and these are the three things. Fourth thing is that don't give up. In the starting you feel nervous, okay, of course in the starting you definitely feel nervous, but it's okay. Don't don't give up. if you start if you start the journey, then don't give up. Just go with the flow, whether you are doing wrong, like, you know, you are using wrong sentences. Even some people also started judging you. It's okay, it's okay. So this is the thing, and don't give up. And the fifth thing is that just just give time to yourself. Just say to yourself that you can do it. Always stay, you know, you don't need to watch any, like, you know, like all the time go and watch motivation videos. Why? No, you are just, like, you just say to yourself, you think if you think that you can do it, it means you can do it. Okay, so these are the things. So I used all these things, you know. And literally I'm saying, it is very difficult to start my journey of spoken English, but like, you know, it is like, for it is magic for me. Like, literally I started my journey, and this, of course, I also wanted to start my YouTube channel, whether it is in a, like, in the starting, like, as I said that I did lots of efforts to start this channel, but I couldn't. But now, like, it is, you know, it is a magic. Like, literally, I started my channel and I feel happy. It is not about to, you know, it is not about to gain any, uh, like, of course I just want to be, if you feel better, if you feel like, you know, some positive energy from my side, then I just want that stay tuned with me. And well, that the thing I want, that if I if if I will help you to do these things, so please stay tuned with me. And all the things from my side. And okay, thank you.